Strict Beats.
I'm sorry if the quality is blurry. Okay, what I'm just gonna do is go ahead and cut all the extra pieces off. and then tap into the other pieces, and then go ahead and try to get this sturdy. And then I'm going to use the wood that's over there. As you can see, the wood that's over there, and start breaking it down, and go ahead and try to simulate how I want to do everything from here, and then go from there. I know I might have to buy another piece of wood in order for it to be straight across this way, and maybe this way and this way. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I am trying to figure out how I want to do it, and how I want to get it done. I'm just, everything I'm just doing as I go. Nothing is planned, nothing's written down. I'm just doing it off of the top of my head, and so far it is looking just like how it's supposed to look and how it was looking in my head. Like I said, I know I'm going to have to get another piece to go here. I'm fixing to cut that off right there. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm fixing to cut that off. Then I'm going to get another piece later and have it to where it's on this piece. This is going to set down, but I'm going to see how much wood I'm going to need. But I think I'm going to have to give another one of these pieces and then go from there. And if not, I do have a piece that's sitting right there, and I'll just cut that and get to where it fits in. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut this real quick. I'm going to pause the video, then I'm going to come back and then figure out. But maybe if this will work, I'll use this right here, this piece right here. I don't know yet, but we'll see how it goes. But I kind of want it to be straight across to where that's not a big gap. It's flush on top. So, well, let's go ahead and get this cut, and I'll resume here in a little bit when I get it set up for me to get the cuts going. I put a hat on so I don't get no dust in my hair because I had to wash it the other day. Alright, I had to switch GoPros. Hopefully this GoPro picks up the audio okay, but I had to switch GoPros. My other GoPro died. Well, what I was saying on the other one, I'm going to have to, I don't know if I said it, but I'll check the video footage and see. But I'm going to go through and cut this, but I'm going to use this piece of wood to see if it's right, because I'm just cutting, and I don't know if it's cut, right to the right length. I just want to keep cutting, and then have to buy another piece of wood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this piece of wood right here and see how far apart it needs to be, and then go from there. And then we're gonna make sure everything is straight. I got a leveler, so we're gonna make sure everything's straight. Then go from there and make sure it's level all the way across. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back to continue this here shortly. Okay, I put that piece in. And we're gonna see if it's far enough apart. I notice it's a little slanted, it's not quite even. I guess this over time, since the water has, kind of like rotted a little bit, so this is higher than this side. But at the same time, I get the wood right, we should deal with the level of that. I had to get my tape measure to see the spaces, right? For me to get the wood here. So let me go get my tape measure. Alright, from here to here. I don't know if you can see it. Right at 29, right at 30. Doors go, I know the doors, if I want the doors, I haven't really decided, but I know the doors comes in two sizes. 30, the biggest door was 34, 36, I can't remember which one the biggest door, I think it was 36, and that's with the frame, and I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and build me a door. Not really build me a door, but go ahead and build, and go ahead and put a, use this as my frame, and put the door up, and then paint that, because I hope the door is going to be I mean, the door right here, there, the door's not all that tall. This is like a door for the house, and they're not really all that tall. Like, I know it's not 8. I know it's not an 8-foot door, but at the same time, I'm still trying to decide on which door I want to get. But I want to go ahead and finish this, and then after I get this done, go ahead and cut that. And I, like I said, I don't know if I got that recorded. Go ahead and cut that. Get this bolted up, screw together. Get that screw together. Cut that off over here. Cut that off over here. Cut that off over here. And then when I cut it all off, then I will start breaking down the wood over here. And like I said, I might have to go get some more wood to go ahead and get it what I want. Because what I want is, I want it to be like this, guys. I want it to go. So the wood, I think, is going to use it, and then it's going to be this wood here, probably this wood here, all 3 sides on the ground, and then this wood there. But I want where it's going to be like this, and it's going to be like this. So we go, and I got to figure out how to do it. But in my mind, I got it right. Got it how I want it. But everything's coming along so well. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off right here, cut this off, and then get it drilled into that side, and then I can get that side drilled in. Then I won't have to cut that piece off, but I will not have to cut that piece off as well. I will leave that piece because in fact that's going to be help with my base board when I go to put my pieces together. Because I don't think the wood's going to be tall enough. If not, I can always figure out how to get my wood once I get it there to not just stick to this, not just stick to that, and then go from there. Just put a piece of wood in there to where it's pushed out a little bit to where it's pushed out. And I can push the wood and I can drill in and then connect there. Like, I don't really have to make it a big deal on if the wood's going to fit in there right now because I got places I can still put wood, so I'm not really stressing on that. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, quick chip shot it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. This is as wide as it needs to be, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. This is perfect, so let's get it straight. And it's not putting strain on that back there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tap into that one, tap into that, and then go tap in, start breaking things down. I know I'm repeating myself, but I just want to make sure you're not lost in what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. Cut that off right there. Exactly where it needs to be. Cut it off, and then we should be done with that